It was one thing when I'm finding some time to build a few birdhouses to entertain myself. It's really cool when you see an hour later after you erect them on the site they have been moved into, and the swallows took over, and we have wrens that are making nests, and they're all having babies. And I get to see the whole thing start and finish with the babies as they're feeding, as they're getting fed, and the parents, the mom and dad, taking turns flying off and bringing back insects and teaching them how to catch them. And right from your deck, 3 or 4 or 5 feet away, they're very comfortable with us. They've gotten used to us. And I plan on getting a few more of these things, but up there and have a whole colony of these guys. But I'll tell you, it's just pure entertainment. And I know I get entertained easy, but they sure are cute. And I'm gonna do a lot more of this kind of thing.